step into a world of enduring beauty with our captivating video tour, where we unveil 8 living room interiors that embody the essence of timeless elegance. Get ready to be inspired as we explore spaces that effortlessly blend classic sophistication with modern allure. In these designs, every detail has been meticulously chosen to create environments that exude luxury and charm. The careful selection of high-end fabrics plays a pivotal role, infusing each space with rich textures that invite comfort and indulgence. From plush sofas to intricate furnishings, every piece contributes to the harmonious balance of traditional and contemporary elements. The interplay of textures, the play of light, and the harmony of colors all come together to offer living rooms that are not just spaces but experiences, inviting you to indulge in the luxurious embrace of timeless design. Hit this like a button and subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration and tips to infuse timeless elegance into your living spaces.